Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum using the BitPay app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the BitPay app, and then to buy any kind of crypto you have two solutions. You can either go to buy crypto at the top of the list, or you can go to exchange rates and see all the available cryptos right now. On the page they have 6 different cryptos: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ripple, Dogecoin and Litecoin. To buy Ethereum, you just tap on Ethereum, and here you can see the price changes of Ethereum in the last 1 day, 1 week or 1 month. Then you have to tap on buy Ethereum. Here you should type in the amount of money that you want to invest in Bitcoin. You can go even as low as $1 or even less. You can also choose the currency that you use. They have quite a few currencies, so I'm sure you will find the one that is good for you. Then choose the amount, tap on continue, and here you will see your purchase details, and you can check out with Apple Pay, and that's pretty much it. You buy your Ethereum. The Ethereum is going to be stored in your BitPay wallet, and you can transfer it from there. You can hold it so the value may increase, or you can spend it using your BitPay card. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye.